Welcome back to Auto Insider, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we've got something special for those who love adventure and comfort on the road. The 2025 Ford Motorhome. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this motorhome is designed to elevate your journey. So, buckle up as we dive into what makes this model a top contender in the RV world. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Ford Motorhome has a bold and modern look with an aerodynamic front end that improves fuel efficiency. The large panoramic windshield gives drivers a commanding view of the road, while LED lighting and sleek body lines make it one of the most stylish motorhomes out there. The side mirrors have been upgraded for better visibility, and the retractable awning comes with built-in LED lighting, perfect for those late-night outdoor gatherings. Under the hood, Ford has equipped this motorhome with a powerful yet efficient 7.3-liter V8 engine, delivering robust performance for long-haul trips. This powerhouse produces around 350 horsepower and 468 lp-ft of torque, ensuring that uphill climbs and towing additional gear are handled with ease. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the ride feels smooth, responsive, and most importantly, fuel-efficient for a vehicle of this size. Step inside and you're greeted by a luxurious and spacious interior that truly feels like a home on wheels. The 2025 Ford Motorhome offers multiple floor plan options, allowing you to choose the best layout for your travel needs. The living area features plush seating, a fully equipped kitchen with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, and a microwave, along with ample storage space. The motorhome also comes with smart home integration, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment through a touchscreen or voice commands. One of the standout features is the expandable slide-outs, which create additional living space at the push of a button. The bedroom area is designed for maximum comfort, offering a queen or king-size bed with high-quality memory foam mattresses. Plus, the bathroom comes with a full-size shower, so you won't have to compromise on comfort while on the road. Now, let's talk technology and safety. The Ford Co-Pilot 360 system brings advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring that you stay connected no matter where your travels take you. So, how much does all this luxury and convenience cost? The 2025 Ford Motorhome starts at around $120,000, depending on the trim and customization options. While it's a significant investment, the combination of performance, technology, and comfort makes it well worth the price for those who want the best in mobile living. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the 2025 Ford Motorhome? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Auto Insider. Stay tuned because our next review will feature another exciting new vehicle you won't want to miss. See you next time!